between two sets, set A to set B. It may say, then we also seen in the relation when we are having a relation from one set to another set. This is B to C. The direction is this. So in this, B is domain, C is codomain. And we already also seen if the element belongs to relation R, how we say that it belongs to R. So it is just like a set. R is nothing but a set. So belongs to and not belongs to symbol, you are aware about that. Then we started with some basic understanding of properties of relations. So one property, that is reflexivity. When we are having a association from a domain to itself, that is the same set is acting as domain and codomain, then we are talking about property related to the city. If all the elements belonging to a domain, if they are related to itself, then we say the property is holding as a reflexive property. Then we also seen what is irreflexivity. What is irreflexivity? When all the elements belonging to then we say it is irreflexive. So this is also we have seen in yesterday's session. Then we have seen what is symmetric. When for all x comma y, if there is x comma y belongs to R, there is y comma x also belongs to R, then we say the relation is symmetric. And also we have seen what is meaning of antisymmetric. When the relation is antisymmetric, when x comma y belongs to R and y comma x belongs to R, x and y both has to be same. If they are different, then the relationship is not antisymmetric. Then we have seen some other properties like transitivity. When a comma b belongs to R and b comma c belongs to R, then a comma or all a comma b belongs to R and b comma c belongs to R. If a comma c belongs to R, then we say the transitivity is also there. Then apart from this, we have seen some more properties, that is reflexivity, that is for all elements A belongs to A. If A comma is not there in your relation R, we say it is irreflexive. And for all A comma B belongs to R, if B comma is not there in your R, then we say it is asymmetric. So relation R on a set A is asymmetric if it is if and only if it is irreflexive as well as antisymmetric. Then the relationship is asymmetric. Okay. So after that, we need to start now something. But prior to that, there are certain quizzes on your ERP. Please try to attend that quiz. I will wait for another 2-3 minutes. Sorry, I lost my connection in between. So there is a quiz on ERP. Kindly attend that quiz. And once you complete, please post in the message chat box that you completed. Then I can start the further session. So once you complete the quiz, kindly post in chat box you completed. Then we can start immediately. So hope you have completed the quiz. Please let me know in the chat box whether you have completed or not. So I'm waiting just for your response. Once you complete, please let me know in the chat box. Okay, 2 students completed. Good. All right, 6 students completed up till now. Good. Okay, I think 20 students almost completed. So with this, I will able to start now. Those who are in the completion phase, you complete quickly. We are now starting our session. So in this session, what exactly we are going to learn? We are going to learn certain operations that we can perform on the relation. So as you are aware, a relation is nothing but itself is a set. So what are the operations that we are able to perform on set? Same is applicable to the relation because it is a set. So what are those operations? We can do union, we can do intersection, we can do set difference, we can do complement, absolute complement, relative complement, then symmetric difference, all possible, all these operations we are able to do because it is a set. Okay. So let us proceed ahead. So let us take example. Let us say this is your set A, this is your set B, and there is a relation R1 like this, and this is relation R2 like this. So it is simple union operation that you need to just do the R1 union R2. So let me know what will be the cardinality of R1 union R2. What is the cardinality of R1 union R2?
Sir, 11.
Okay,
Or
1, 2,
9.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7 elements are definitely there. Out of that,
9.
this is not there, so it is 8. This is not there. This is there. So this is there. So total 9. What is R1
9.
intersection R2 cardinality? Cardinality.
2.
Pardon?
2.
2, 2.
2. Okay. Okay. Very good. Now what is R1 minus R2 cardinality? Set difference. R1 minus R2.
So 5.
Pardon?
5.
5. Okay. What is R2 minus R1 cardinality?
2.
2. Okay. So let's proceed ahead. Composite of relation. This is another operation, composition. Okay, just let me know closure operations discussed or not here. Yeah, we'll discuss later, no issue. I'm using some books and some other slides, not my slides, just to give you the insight of two concepts. So, what is composition of a relation? This is another operation which you have not yet studied. So, let R1 is a relation from A to B and R2 be a relation from B to C. So, R1 is subset of A cross B. This is Cartesian product. R1 is a relation from A to B and R2 is subset of B cross C. R2 is a relation from B to C. So, what is composition? The composition of R1 and R2 is the relation consisting of ordered pairs A, C, where A belongs to set A and C belongs to set C, and for which there exists an element B such that A, B belongs to R1 and B, C belongs to R2. So we denote the composition of R1 and R2 by this symbol, R2 composition R2. So what does it mean, R2 composition R1? So we are doing composition operation of A comma B and B comma C. So let me just take one example to clarify this clearly. Just a minute. Then I know exactly. So let me take. Okay, this I do not have. Let me just take another one. Okay, what we will do, we'll have example in Excel, and then we can start with some discussion, composition of relation. Fine. So just try to understand what we are exactly discussing. What is the composition operation? This slide is having some. Where am I? Yeah. This is some error. It should be R1 composition R2, not R2 composition R1. Because A to B and B to C. So we want A to C. So let me come back to Excel file and let us start. Okay. First of all, let us discuss the definition. Let R1 be a relation from set A to B, R2 be a relation from set B to C, where R1 is subset of A cross B, R2 is subset of B cross C. The composition of R1 and R2 is an ordered pair A comma C, where A belongs to set A, C belongs to set C, for which there exists an element B belongs to set B, such that A comma B belongs to R1, B comma C belongs to R2. So basically you are having two separate relations. One relation is from A to B. In that relation, B is acting as codomain, and there is another relation R2 where B is acting as domain. Okay. So you need to just wanted to establish, is there any kind of association from set A to set C via set B? This is what we mean by composition operation. So composition is normally denoted by this circle, small circle between these two sets, R1 composition R2. So what is meaning of R1 composition R2? We do say all such A comma C for which A comma B belongs to R1 and B comma C belongs to R2. Okay. So let me just take one example to quickly make this thing clear. Okay. So okay, prior to that, there is one more thing, that is, let R be a relation on set A. The powers, that is R raised to n. This is something like you are having 2 raised to 0, that is 1, 2 raised to 1, that is 2, 2 raised to 2, that is 4. So you are having certain algebra with respect to some elements. Similarly here, you can have composition having n order, okay, where the n can be 0 or n can be 1. If it is R1, R raised to 1 means what? It is set itself. R raised to 2, that means R composition R. R raised to 3 means what? R composition R composition R. Something like that. Yeah, that is one example here. So, okay, prior to that, let me come back to the Excel file. We'll start the discussion now immediately. Let's consider that you are having uh, just a minute. Yeah, we'll take this. Just a moment. Okay, let us take this example. Let R is equal to, you are having this 1 comma 2 1 comma 6 1 comma 2 1 comma 6. Just a moment. 1 comma 2 1 comma 6 2 comma 4 3 comma 4 3 comma 6 3 comma 8. Let us take this example again. One relation R is there from set A to B. Okay, this is R1, let us say, and you do have another relation, that is R2 from B to C. Let us say 2 comma U, then let us say 4 comma F, then 4 comma T. I'm just taking one random example just for your understanding. 6 comma T, 8 comma U. Okay, that's it. Now, what exactly we need to find out, what is R1 composition R2? R1, I'm not able to draw that symbol. Let us take, this is composition symbol, R1 composition R2. So we need to find out what is that. So basically, it is what? It is collection of all x comma c such that, sorry, a comma c such that a comma b belongs to R1 and b comma c belongs to R2, and we will just have here collection of all a comma c. So this is what we need to find out. So can you tell me now what will be R1 composition R2 by looking to this example? Come on, I am waiting for the answer now. Coming back to the definition for your clarity, what is R1 composition R2? It is, let R1 is the relation from A to B, R2 is the relation from B to C. Then the composite operation R1 composition R2, it is the relation consisting of all the ordered pairs A comma C such that A belongs to set A and C belongs to set C, for which there exists an element B belongs to set B such that A comma B belongs to R1, B comma C belongs to R2. So we just want A comma C pairs. So can you now tell me what will be R1 composition R2? What are the elements? Come on, start now.
Sir, there
So
will be
1 comma
1
U.
comma U.
1 comma U. Okay, why?
Sir,
Because
because 1 comma 2 belongs to R1 and
Correct.
2 comma u belongs to R2. So
Perfect. Very
therefore
good.
1 comma u is a
Okay.
composition from R1 to R2.
This is one of the elements. Let us proceed
Then
ahead.
2 comma S.
2 comma.
S.
Okay, let us go line by line. No, why should we have a random answer? 1 comma 2.
1 comma
1
1
comma
comma
2. Now
U.
what is 2 comma something that you see? Basically, you are doing what? You are identifying what is A comma B, sorry, A comma B here, and what is B comma C here. And then for that, you are just writing, wait a minute. You are just identifying what is A comma C. That's it. It is plain concept. Okay. So similarly here, 1 comma 2,
So 1 comma t.
1 comma 2, 2 comma U, 1 comma U, 1 comma T.
Yes,
How
sir.
1 comma T?
Sir, 1 comma 6 and 6 comma T.
1 comma 6 and 6 comma T. Okay. So let us go 1 comma 6. First of all, conclude for this 1 comma 2. Is there any 2 comma something apart from this? Nothing. So this is over. Now let us proceed ahead. 1 comma 6. What is 6 comma something? There is only one element, so it is 1 comma T. Correct.
So 2 comma 4, 4 comma S.
Pardon?
So 2 comma 4, 4 comma T.
2 comma 4, 4 comma T.
No, sir,
So that will be
that
2
is
comma
2 comma
t.
T
2 comma t.
Okay. 2 comma T.
and 2 comma S.
2 comma S.
3 comma S
3 comma T.
3
3
comma
comma
t.
S.
and 3 comma
3
T.
comma T. Okay.
So 3
So 3
comma
comma
u.
U.
3 comma U. Okay. Are there any other elements apart from this? I, are there any other elements? Or we done? Come on, conclude quickly. Are we done or still any elements are there?
We're done.
Very good. So I will ask the another question. Are we able to perform R2 composition R1? Are we able to perform this? Okay, what is the answer first of all? We are able to perform. There is nothing wrong. This is a composition between two sets. So what is the answer of R2 composition R1?
Yes, nice set. Because
Yes.
So we
There is
then
can
no
nothing
A
is
perform
comma B
starting
and B
this.
from
comma C. Correct, correct. Very good. Absolutely right. So I am sure now everyone is aware about what is this. So what I will do now, I will take another example for which you will work out. I will not say any answer. R3 is there. Let us say it is 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 3 comma 4, 4 comma 2, and let us take R4 is equal to 1 comma 1, 2 comma 1, 3 comma 1, 4 comma 4, 2 comma 2. Okay. So what you will do, you will identify what is R3 composition R4. Similarly, you will identify wait a minute, R4 composition R3. Similarly, you will identify what is R3 composition, R3, and you will identify what is R4 composition, R4. Come on, do it quickly now. In next 1 minute or 2 minutes, identify. If you have any questions, please let me know. So what is the cardinality of R3 composition R4?
Sir, 4.
5.
Okay. Who is saying 4? Let me know the element. Yeah, come on. I am waiting
Sir,
for the answer. What is the cardinality?
I'm getting 1
1.
comma. No.
Okay, first of all, give me the number of elements. How many elements are there
I
in this
got
cardinal?
4.
Someone is saying 4, someone is saying 5. Any other answer apart from this? Okay, whatever is your answer, let me know now. Those who are saying 4 elements, let me know the
Sir,
element.
1 comma 1,
Hmm.
3 comma 4,
3 comma 4. How?
sir, 3 comma 4 and 4 comma 4.
Ha. 3 comma 4. Yeah. Yeah.
Then 4 comma 2, because 4 comma 2 and 2 comma 2 is there. And 4 comma 1, because 4 comma 2 and 2 comma 1 is there.
Okay.
And 1 comma
Who is
2.
saying 5?
Sir,
Hmm.
One extra 1 comma 2 also.
yes, sir, 1 comma 2 also.
1 comma 2. Why 1 comma 2? Because 1 comma 1
And 2 comma
in
2.
R3. And
No, how 1 comma 2?
and 2 comma 2 in R.
what happened? Come on, tell me. Take this element first and clear out 1 comma 1. So what is 1 comma something? It is 1. So 1 comma 1 will be definitely there. Now we finished with 1 comma 1. Now 1 comma 2. Now 2 comma something. So it is 2 comma 1. So 1 comma 1 is already present. Let us proceed ahead. 3 comma 4. What is 4 comma something? Okay, wait. 1 comma 2. So 2 comma 1. 1 comma 1 already present. 1 comma 2. 2 comma 2. 1 comma 2. 3 comma 4. What is 4 comma something? That is only one element. So 3 comma 4 will be there. Now 4 comma 2. So there is 2 comma 1 and 2 comma 2. So 4 comma 2, 2 comma 1. So 4 comma 1. And 4 comma 2, 2 comma 2. Therefore 4 comma 2. That's it. So let us work out for R4 composition R3. Come on, do it quickly. What is the cardinality? Yes, come on, do it quickly. Tell me.
Sir, 4.
Okay, one answer I received, that is 4. What about other students? Is there any deviation or same answer? Please let me know from other students. Yes, Aniket, what is your answer? Aniket Dhasrak.
Sir, 8.
Pardon?
Sir, it is 5. I think I got one more element.
Okay, someone is getting 5 now. Okay. Ankush Jha, what is your answer? Yes, Ankush. Ankush, I am not able to hear you. Are you there? If you are not responding, you will be marked absent straight away. Ankush, what is your answer? Okay, I think Ankush is absent. He's just logically he's present, but he's not physically present. Next, Bhagyashri, what is your answer? Bhagyashri, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, what is your answer? R4 composition R3, what is the cardinality? What is your answer? Is there any question? If you have not understood, let me know. If you have understood, then what is the answer? Bhagyashri, unmute yourself and talk. I am asking you. Hello, are you there? Okay, if Bhagyashri, you are not talking, let me go ahead. Gaurav Apte, what is your answer?
Yes,
Hello,
sir.
Gaurav, are you there? Yes,
Yes,
what is your
sir.
answer? What is your answer? What is the
I
cardinality?
think it will be 5.
Okay, what are those elements? Can you list down? Tell me.
1 comma 1,
Hmm.
2 comma 1,
Hmm.
uh, 3 comma 1,
Hmm. Yes, continue. Yeah, come on, do first. What is next? Any difficulty you are facing? Gaurav, respond. I should understand what you are thinking.
4 comma 4,
Hmm.
sir, 4 comma 2,
How 4 comma 4?
That Gaurav need to answer now. Gaurav, tell me. Yes, Gaurav, how 4 comma 4? Arey Gaurav, I do not have any AK-47 with me. Don't worry. If you are, you just try and make attempt why you are coming out 4,4. If there is error, I will rectify. Nothing to shy or nothing to worry. We are here
Sir,
for learning. So come on, do it fast. Tell me how it is 4,4. I just want to understand how you came out with this answer 4,4. So I will correct you.
sir, I don't know.
And then why you are guessing and you see, we are not here just to sit here for the sake of attendance. And every time I am asking to not only Gaurav but every student that at any point of time, if any concept is not understood, you interrupt me at that point itself, and I will again repeat. There is nothing wrong in that. I will repeat 1,000 times also, not a problem. But without understanding, we will not proceed ahead because everything is linked ahead. One concept is linked with second concept. Second concept is linked with third concept. If you miss one of the concepts, further ladder you will miss. So, Gaurav, I'm sorry to say you have not asked me, sir, explain again. I would have explained again. There is nothing wrong in that.
Sorry,
So,
sir.
this is for everyone. Those who are keeping silent. If you are having any questions, immediately ask that point itself. We will not proceed ahead without understanding. We are here learning, not for just attending the lecture. So again, I am coming back to the point that we are discussing that if A comma B belongs to A comma if A comma B belongs to relation R1 and B comma C belongs to relation R2, we will identify, see R1 is having some collection of elements, R2 is having some collection of elements, and we just want to find out what is R1 composition R2. So in that, we will take all comma C such that A comma B belongs to R1 and B comma C belongs to R2. So coming back to here, R4 composition R3, we are just identifying 1 comma 1 is here. So this 1 is related to whom? See 1 comma 1. We are right now discussing with respect to R4 and R3. Okay, R4 and R3. So we are having now what is something what we are doing now 1 comma 1. That is what we are discussing now here. This is 1 comma 1 here. So what is 1 comma something in R3? What is 1 comma something? That is 1 comma 1 and 1 comma 2. So what we are doing now in R4 composition R3, we are taking 1 comma 1 and we are taking 1 comma 2. This is A comma B, this is B comma C, B comma C. We want A comma C pair. So for that, we are having 1 comma 1 here and we are having 1 comma 2 also here. Is it clear or not, Gaurav? Tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now you need to continue further. I will not explain anything further. So tell me now what will be the next element.
Sir, uh,
Yeah, if any still problem, let me know what you have not understood. If any question.
no, sir. Understood.
Okay, now we have finished for 1 comma 1. Now let us go for the next element 2 comma 1.
Yes, sir.
So what is the hurdle now? It should be very fast. Everything is there already. 1 comma what is 1 comma something that we already listed. So come on, give the answer quickly. Yeah, come on, Gaurav. Okay, Sarah, can you help Gaurav so that Gaurav will be able to tell? Yes, Sarah.
Yes, sir.
Just help Gaurav now.
There is in relation R3 3 comma 1.
Wait. We are now doing R4 composition R3 and we are
relation
talking now
R4.
element 2 comma 1.
Okay. So for 2 comma 1, 1 can be with 1 comma 1. So that so we'll get 2 comma 1, the composite. And for again 2 comma 1 and 1 comma 2. So we'll get 2, 2.
Gaurav, is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Now you will continue ahead.
Yes, sir. 3, 1.
Hmm.
Then 3, 2.
Hmm.
Then 4, 2.
Hmm.
Sir, that's all.
Very good. So I appreciate now. Now everyone continue R3 composition R3, R4 composition R4. Let me know the cardinality. Now Bhagyashri will give me answer. Bhagyashri, you need to work out on R3 composition R3. So you will tell me the answer. Yes, Bhagyashri, do it simultaneously with me. Tell me your answer. Unmute yourself. Bhagyashri, are you there or not? At least respond. Okay, if you are not responding, we'll see later on. Ishita Raut, unmute yourself. Ishita Raut, I am noting down here those who are not responding, you will be marked absent straight away. Okay, not an issue, you are not responding. Mansi Chavan,
Yes, sir.
yes, Mansi, tell me now what, let us do quickly, simultaneously, tell me now what will be the elements R3 composition R3.
1, 1. Sir, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
1, 1.
1, 1, okay, very good.
1, 2.
1, 2. Hmm. Yes, what is next? Hmm. Yes, Mansi, tell me. Hello, Mansi. Mansi, unmute yourself.
4, 2.
Hmm. 4, 2. Why 4, 2? Yes, मानसी तुला मराठीतून बोलायचं असेल तर मराठीतून बोल, काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही, पण बोल.
So actually, I'm a bit confused. Will you explain?
Whatever is your confusion, let me know so that I will clarify. Why you are confused, let me know. Where you are confused.
So just explain it once, please.
Oh. Then why you are keeping silent? Again and again we are repeating. If we are having one relation R1 and another relation R2 in general, they may be the same relation also, doesn't matter. So we want to find out R1 composition R2. What will be the elements of R1 composition R2? It will be all the pairs A, comma C. It will be all the elements A, comma C such that A, comma B belongs to R1 and B, comma C belongs to R2. So we will take A, comma C likewise. So coming back here, R3 composition R3, you have taken 1, 1. Okay, so 1, 1. So what is 1, something again in this R3 1, 1? So you have taken 1, 1. 1, 1 is from R3. Another is 1, 2 is from R3. So what is A, C? 1, 2 that you have taken. So no more 1, something. That's done. Now let us take 1, 2. What is 2, something? Nothing is there. So no problem. 3 comma 4, what is 4 comma something? 4 comma 2 is there. So therefore you have taken 3 comma 2. Okay? Wait. Okay? Mansi, are you able to understand what is going on?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay? So 4 comma 2, is there any 2 comma something? Nothing. So that's done. So Mansi, now you will answer R4 composition R4. Come on, tell me quickly.
1,
Yeah.
comma 1. Um,
Hmm.
2, comma 1.
2 comma 1. Why 2 comma 1?
Sorry, 1, comma 2. Okay, sure.
1 comma 2. Why 1 comma 2? Hey, you need to justify whatever you are answering. No, I just want to understand whether you are writing, whether you are attempting correctly or not. If there is a error, I will again rectify. Don't give any random answer. Think and tell. It's very pretty clear. What we have to do, we need to find out the pair A comma B and B comma C so that we will write A comma C. So tell me now. 1 comma 1 is done. Next.
Yes, sir.
Come on, Mansi. Come on, quick.
So 1, comma 2 because of 1, comma 1 and 2, comma 1.
Okay. 1 comma 1 and 2 comma 1. Okay. So if I write here 1 comma 1, so this is basically A comma B. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And 1 minute. A comma B. Okay. And you are saying it is B comma C that you are talking about. Is this B and is this B component here 1 and B component here 2? Is this matching with each other? Is this 1 and 2 they are matching with each other? We want a common element A comma B and B comma C so that we will write A comma C. Are you able to understand what I am saying? If you would have here 1, then you would have here 1 comma 1. We want A comma C pair from this. Is this B component here and B component here, is this matching? Yes or
No.
no? Just answer this.
No, sir.
Then you cannot take this 2 comma 1 into picture. We want something 1 comma something we want in this place.
So 2, comma 2.
Okay, you are saying now 2 comma 2, why? Tell me.
So 1, comma 2 and 2, comma 2.
1 comma 2, where you are having here 1 comma 2 in this? Do you have any element of 1 comma 2 here?
2, comma 1, 2, comma. I was saying R3. Sorry. 2, comma
So
1,
what should I write here? Tell me.
2, comma 2.
Why 2 comma?
Um, because of 2, comma 1 and hello, sir. Hello.
I'm sorry, I lost my connection in between. So we'll stop at this point of time. Kindly mark your attendance in the chat box, roll number followed by your name, and then you can log out. Thank you.